Good afternoon. Very wet and rainy one it is here in England. We're going to do Come As You Are. I'll play it to you first so you know how it will sound, and then we'll teach you how to play it. Okay, here goes. So this is the tutorial bit. So I'm going to do it in 3 parts: intro, verse and mid-late. It's worth mentioning that this is my tab arrangement of it. You can buy the tab arrangement, it's in the description below. So you need a dulcimer, tune it to D, A, D. Doesn't need to be a fancy dulcimer with any extra frets, you can just do a regular one will do. And if I've plugged mine in and I've put a bit of a phaser effect on, but if not, that's fine. So you want to bar the first fret with these 3 fingers like this. Then you're going to play the 3rd fret and go off it with the thumb like this. And then off all the frets. 4th fret of the high string. So we'll do that 3 times. That's your intro. Second bit is the verse. You need to again bar the 1st fret with pointer, middle and ring. While it's barred, put your thumb on the middle string on the 3rd fret and the 4th fret. Then keep your middle finger on the middle string but let all the rest of them off, and do the 3rd fret and the 4th fret again and bar it. 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, 4th, 3rd. So we do that, I think it's 4 times. Here's the chorus bit. So we do bass string 3rd fret, middle string 3rd fret, top string 5th fret, and your thumb's going to go on the top string to the 4th fret, and 3rd fret, and all off apart from the 5th fret of the top string and 7th fret, and then we do that 4 times. And then if you know the song, you'll probably know that we go back into this bit. So I guess the last bit to do is the middle 8. So we want to go the 4th fret, bar it, pointer at middle ring, 4th fret, and then go to the 6th fret. And then this finger is going to do 4th fret of the bass string. The 5th fret you can do with your thumb, and do the 4th fret with your thumb, 3rd fret with the little finger, 4th fret of the middle string, and then go up to the 6th fret with these 2 fingers. So again, that's, oh, sorry.